Welcome to the family, Chloe. Here's some of the accessories. We have a hairbrush right here, a purse with a zipper, and some sunglasses. And here she is alone. I got this storage box from the dollar store, so let's see if it can fit all of my dolls, or at least the ones that are in here. Here are some of my dolls. And here's the outside. So here's the inside of the box. Let's fill it up. I couldn't find a Bratz box, but they can still fit in this Barbie box. Bratz has released new Playline dolls. They are cute, but to me they are not worth the $28 to the $50 that they cost now. I miss how detailed the dolls used to be. I miss this kind of hairbrush and the real fashion packs. I miss the creative makeup, the quality of the clothes, the accessories, and awesome posters. Y2K fashion is having a resurgence, and Bratz can truly benefit from it, while adding a modern or futuristic feel to it. Bring back the passion for fashion. So it has a small range. I actually like this one, especially this I don't know. So it has a small range, so I'm still gonna keep it though. I really like it. It's called Cinematic Funk. This next one is called Blazing Hot. So it stops here. Yeah. Oh, I like that one. So I'm gonna keep that one as well. Trying out Deep Blue. Okay, so it ends there. Whoa. I like that one. No. I might keep that one. Midtown Summer. I actually like the name of it. Midtown Summer. No. Oh. Toy Insta. I actually like it. Yeah, we're keeping that. So the way that I sort of create music is by focusing on the electronic drums first, and then eventually I'll come up with a melody that best suits it. So yeah. Okay, so here's what it sounds like so far. There are some sounds that are sort of clashing, but yeah, I'll work on it a little bit more. But like I said, I'm a bit rusty, so it's fine.